to meal preps. Today, I'm gonna talk about my fitness update because it's been a long time and madaming unanswered questions about it. So we're gonna answer it now, okay? So I'm doing calorie deficit, I'm doing meal preps. So meron lang akong specific 3 meals a day na binigay na sa akin ng aking consultant, yung parang anong meat, ilang grams yung meat per meal. Breakfast ko is chicken breast, ilang grams ng kanin, tas anong kailangan niyang kasama na gulay. Meal number 2, lean ground beef na 90% lean, 10% fat, no? Ilang grams nun, ilang grams ng cooked rice. Ganon din siya for the third meal, which is grilled fish, any white fish na lean. Ayan, ilang grams, ilang cooked rice, ilang grams ng cooked rice. And then bahala ka kung anong season yung ilalagay mo, kung anong klaseng luto gagawin mo. And then may specific lang gano'ng kadaming oil, like 1 teaspoon of olive oil lang, ganon. Plus, of course, gulay. Ayan, and that's what I'm gonna eat for 5 days, Mondays to Fridays. And then Saturday, Sunday, it's it's bahala ka, pero in moderation, with control pa rin. So right now, I'm having paksiw na tilapia. Yung paksiw na tilapia ko is 170 grams na tilapia. Tapos 110 grams of shirataki rice. So we are really measuring our food now. Like, ganun talaga ka-strict. So I switched to matcha, from coffee to matcha, and I've been doing this for more than a month already. So I'm loving it. So far so good. Ayan. Yum. I really like this. Bili ko sa TikTok. The Organico by CNC Uji Matcha. Ceremonial grade from Japan. Ito siya. Yan. Bongga siya. Among the 4 na meron ako, ito yung favorite ko. Paubos na siya actually. So, that's very, very good. And I usually have it with outside. Yung oat milk. Pero now I'm switching to the husk. Actually, last bottle ko lang ng outside. Then bumili ako yung coconut milk na in the husk. I have 6 of those, so excited to try it with the husk, guys. Yeah, cheers. And for those who are asking, yes, nag-Ozempic po ako. It was prescribed to me by my doctor, my fat loss doctor, and pero hindi ako diabetic. Pero pinascribe niya sa akin to. So I started at 0.25. Now I'm at 0.5. So I will inject myself but not on camera. So parang hindi naman weirdo mo i-inject ko sarili ko sa harapan ng camera, but laban me. So itsura niya, ito yung pen. Ayan, so meron siyang mga needles, 4 per box, and you inject yourself once a week. So ayan, ganito lang yan. Tanggalin ko lang yan. Back. Ayan, ganyan na siya. So, yun na. Back. Again, I'm gonna inject myself, but I'm not gonna show it sa camera. Ayan, 0.5 na siya. Alcohol, and then inject myself, and I'll be back here, okay? So, I'm gonna stop working already, mga mi, and, but before I work, I just wanna update you guys, no? I am already on my heaviest I am 500 plus pounds right now, and it's not the easiest stage of my life. Sobrang hirap, like hirap nakaupo kung saan, hirap na ako maglakad ng matagal, tabi na matagal. So ang dami ng limitations na naiirita na ako kasi hindi ako makapag-travel na maayos, hindi ako makapag-work na maayos, stuff like that. So yes, sabi nga nila, health is wealth, me. So, oh my gosh, huwag yun na paabutin dito. Medyo maghirap siya, mga mi. Pero tayo ay lumalaban, inilaban natin ito. Kailangan natin bumabat, umalis sa 500 pounds and start doing active active lifestyle. So I'm gonna be back to cardio and strength training again with my new consultant. So thank you so much talaga, mi. OMG, I'm excited. I started with our diet program already. Now naman is tomorrow start ko na yung ating fitness program naman, yung pinaka-strength training. So I'm very, very excited for that. I just had my haircut and my new hair color. Comment below if bet yung hairdo ko. Kung bet yung hair ko ngayon. Ako, I'm kind of adjusting to it pa with the hair color. But I love the length. I love it so far. How about you? Comment below, mga mi. Timbang dyan, timbang dito, ng ating pagkain, timbang everywhere. Ito yung gamit ko, guys. Wait lang siya, pwede ko siyang dalhin sa labas din. Pak! It's like a weighing scale for food. Para sa mga nagka-calorie deficit dyan, ito yung maganda yung gamitin. Para maliit lang, tsaka hindi masyadong bulky sa bag. Diba? Kain tayo. This is giniling. Giniling na beef. Na ginawang cuts ng minudo. Tapos, lagyan ng potato, ng bell pepper, at saka carrots. Tapos shirataki, dry shirataki rice ang gamit ko. This is really, really good. You try it, come on. Ang aking dessert nowadays ay yogurt. Itong favorite ko, Chobani. Not sponsored at all. Akala mo naman! Pero yeah, I love yogurt. Ngayon pa sila isang style na parang i-flip mo. Tapos yung parang mga toppings ay mapupunta doon sa yogurt mismo. Tapos i-mix mo. Ang sarap. So, excuse me, nag-burp ako. Sorry na. So yan, I love it. Tapos meron sila smaller version. Ayun, tin, kakalat ako, tin. This is really good. Ayan, meron silang Greek yogurt too. I usually eat the Greek yogurt, yung maliliit lang. Ayan, para mas less yung calories. Ayan, pero ngayon kasi wala available. Kung kumutang hirap hanapin. So yan, binili ko man yung strawberry. May iba naman ang lasa, no? Binibili ko yung Greek vanilla usually. So, but eto, masarap siya. It's really, really good. Kung mayroon kayo mga alternative na dessert sa pwede kong kainan, let me know please in the comments. Kasi, ayan, yogurt ice cream, gusto ko rin yan. Di ba? Anything that will replace mga current food na kinakain ko. It's really good, mommy. Anyway, konti na naman tapos yung shift ko. That's it for me for today. I am doing my best. Ayan, I know it will not be perfect, but it will be worth it. And with the help of my coach and some of the consultants and the doctors, ay panalo tayo. Laban niyo. Sa mga takot dyan, no? Ilaban nyo na ulit po. Kahit po ulit ni, wala namang perfect to eh. Kahit po ulit ni, okay lang yan. Ilaban mo lang yan. Huwag lang tayo titigil para sa sarili natin to. Let's go. Bye everyone!